Hey everyone, welcome back to Speak Healthy. Today we're diving headfirst into a tangy golden elixir that's been hailed as a wellness wonder, apple cider vinegar. Imagine a single ingredient that can revolutionize your health, beauty routine, and even your kitchen adventures. That's right, folks. Apple cider vinegar is not just any ordinary vinegar, it's a game changer. Are you ready to unlock the extraordinary powers of apple cider vinegar? Well then buckle up, because this video is about to take you on an incredible journey that will forever change the way you see this humble liquid. Get ready to uncork the magic, hit that subscribe button, and turn on notifications. Let's embark on a cider sensation like no other. Benefit number 1, Digestive Dynamo. Did you know that apple cider vinegar can be your secret weapon against post-meal bloating and indigestion? Well, it's true, and let me show you how. When we eat, our stomach produces acid to break down the food. However, sometimes our digestive system needs a little boost. That's where apple cider vinegar comes in. Apple cider vinegar contains acetic acid, a compound that stimulates the production of stomach acid. This extra acidity helps break down food more efficiently, allowing for better digestion. Say goodbye to that uncomfortable post-meal bloating. Apple cider vinegar can alleviate those symptoms and make you feel more comfortable after eating. But wait, there's more. Apple cider vinegar has additional benefits for digestion. It can also help regulate the pH of the stomach, supporting a healthy digestive environment. Benefit number 2, weight loss wonder. Are you ready to turbocharge your weight loss efforts? Well, get ready to be amazed, because apple cider vinegar is here to help you shed those pounds. Studies have shown that this tangy elixir is like a valuable ally in your weight loss journey. It's not just an ordinary vinegar, it's a natural fat-burning booster hiding in your pantry. Apple cider vinegar has been found to reduce appetite, making you feel more satisfied after meals. It's like having a built-in appetite suppressant. Plus, it increases feelings of fullness, so you're less likely to snack on unhealthy treats. Apple cider vinegar has also been shown to promote fat burning in the body. It helps kickstart your metabolism and encourages your body to utilize stored fat as a source of energy. By the way, if you need another boost to help you along your weight loss journey, please click on the link in the description to learn all about Alpiline. This supplement is made of 6 clinically proven ingredients to supercharge your ability to burn calories. Benefit number 3, glowing skin secret. Get ready to unlock your inner radiance, because apple cider vinegar isn't just for salads, it can work wonders for your skin too. Thanks to its natural acids and antibacterial properties, apple cider vinegar is a powerhouse when it comes to skincare. It can help balance your skin's pH, reduce blemishes, and even out your skin tone. Our skin has a delicate pH balance, and when it's disrupted, it can lead to various skin issues. Apple cider vinegar helps restore and maintain that balance, leaving your skin healthier and more vibrant. Apple cider vinegar's antibacterial properties can help fight acne-causing bacteria, reducing blemishes and preventing future breakouts. It's like having a natural skin superhero in your beauty routine. And the benefits keep coming. Apple cider vinegar can also help even out your skin tone, reducing the appearance of dark spots and giving you a more luminous complexion. Benefit number 4, energize your day. Are you feeling sluggish and in need of an energy boost? Well, get ready to wave goodbye to those mid-afternoon slumps, because apple cider vinegar is here to save the day. Believe it or not, apple cider vinegar can be your secret weapon to revitalizing your day and restoring your vitality. Apple cider vinegar contains potassium and enzymes that work together to combat fatigue and support your overall energy levels. It's like having a natural source of vitality right at your fingertips. Say goodbye to those days of feeling drained and lethargic. Apple cider vinegar can give you that much-needed energy boost to power through the day. And the best part is, incorporating apple cider vinegar into your routine is simple and delicious. You can mix a tablespoon of apple cider vinegar with water, add a squeeze of lemon, and enjoy it as a refreshing morning tonic. It's a zesty way to jumpstart your day and keep those energy levels soaring. Benefit number 5, Culinary Magic. Get ready to take your culinary creations to new heights, because apple cider vinegar is not just a health powerhouse, it's a flavor enhancer like no other. The secret lies in its acidic tang, which adds a burst of flavor to dressings, marinades, sausage, and even baking recipes. Your taste buds are in for a treat. Whether you're whipping up a fresh salad dressing, marinating meats, creating a delicious sauce, or even experimenting with baked goods, apple cider vinegar can be your secret ingredient for culinary success. It brings a delightful tanginess that elevates the flavors in your dishes, creating a harmonious balance that will leave your guests asking for second. Apple cider vinegar can also be used to tenderize meats, create pickles, and even balance the sweetness in desserts. Its versatility knows no bounds. Benefit number 6, cholesterol champion. Prepare to be surprised because apple cider vinegar has been shown to have a positive impact on your cholesterol levels, particularly the LDL bad cholesterol. Yes, that's right. Incorporating apple cider vinegar into your diet can contribute to maintaining a healthy cardiovascular system. Studies have revealed that apple cider vinegar has the potential to lower LDL cholesterol levels, which is crucial for keeping your heart healthy and happy. By incorporating apple cider vinegar into your daily routine, you can take an active step towards supporting your cardiovascular health. Benefit number 7, blood sugar stabilizer. If you're on a journey to manage your blood sugar levels, then apple cider vinegar might just be the secret weapon you've been searching for. Studies have shown that apple cider vinegar can play a significant role in improving insulin sensitivity and reducing blood sugar spikes after meals. Yes, that's right. By incorporating apple cider vinegar into your routine, you can keep those glucose levels in check. Maintaining stable blood sugar levels is essential for overall health and well-being. Apple cider vinegar can be a valuable addition to your diabetes management plan. Remember, it's always important to consult with your healthcare professional before making any changes to your diabetes management routine. But with the guidance of your healthcare provider, apple cider vinegar may become your secret weapon in managing your blood sugar levels effectively. Benefit number 8, hair care hero. Are you dreaming of having hair that's the envy of all? Well, get ready to unleash the power of apple cider vinegar. Apple cider vinegar can be your ultimate hair care hero, helping you achieve the locks of your dreams. By rinsing your hair with a diluted mixture of apple cider vinegar, you can restore balance to your scalp's pH, say goodbye to product buildup, and enhance the natural shine of your hair. No more dull and lifeless hair. Apple cider vinegar is here to bring back the luster and vitality to your tresses. Apple cider vinegar can also soothe an itchy scalp, reduce dandruff, and promote healthier hair growth. It's like having a complete hair care solution all in one bottle. Benefit number 9, oral health. Get ready to say cheese because apple cider vinegar is here to boost your oral health and give you a smile you'll be proud of. With its natural antibacterial properties, apple cider vinegar becomes your secret weapon in the fight against harmful bacteria in your mouth. Yes, that's right. By incorporating apple cider vinegar into your oral care routine, you can promote gum health, fight bad breath, and maintain a fresh and clean feeling in your mouth. Think of it as a mini spa session for your oral cavity. Apple cider vinegar can also help remove stains from your teeth, giving you a brighter and whiter smile. If you haven't yet, don't forget to click on the link below to learn more about the calorie-busting supplement in Alpiline. It's super effective, but if it happens to be ineffective, you can always return it within 60 days with a money-back guarantee. And last but not least, benefit number 10, natural cleaning champion. Get ready to discover a whole new level of cleaning power because apple cider vinegar is here to be your eco-friendly cleaning sidekick. Why limit apple cider vinegar to just health benefits? It's time to unlock its full potential as a versatile and all-natural cleaning solution. With its natural cleaning properties, apple cider vinegar becomes your go-to cleaning champion for a variety of household tasks. Say goodbye to harsh chemicals and hello to a more sustainable way of cleaning. Apple cider vinegar can be used to disinfect surfaces, remove stains from various materials, and even eliminate unpleasant odors in your home. Cleaning has never been this fun and eco-friendly. Create your own cleaning solution by diluting apple cider vinegar with water and let its natural cleaning power work wonders in your home. And there you have it, folks, the shocking benefits of apple cider vinegar that will leave you amazed. From aiding digestion and weight loss to promoting glowing skin and boosting energy levels, this tangy elixir is truly a powerhouse of goodness. Thank you all for joining us today and exploring the awesome benefits of apple cider vinegar. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to Speak Healthy, and hit the notification bell to stay updated on all of our exciting content.